No matter how often I visit, I never get tired of the Smokies. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Gatlinburg, Tennessee for another hotel review. This time, I'm staying at Jack Huff's Motor Lodge. It has some history attached to it, and I can't wait to tell you about it, but I'm going to go inside first where it's warm. So let's get started. Our adventure starts here. Jack Huff's Motor Lodge is located on Cherokee Orchard Road, and as you can tell, there are plenty of places to choose for lodging. And for those of you who use the trolley stop is right across the street. A member of the staff told me that during the fires, this part of the mountain and over here were set ablaze. And this is what the Motor Lodge looks like from across the street. It's very nice. They also have a very nice swimming pool, but it's much too cold for that right now. Maybe in a couple of months. The Motor Lodge also offers a couple of hot tubs if you want to relax. This is the scene outside my door. It does not look very scenic, but I'm not going to be looking out my door very often. Okay, let me show you my room now. Here's an overview of it, and then I'll show you in greater detail in just a second. As I walk in my room, there's a place I can hang my coat, and there's a sink outside the bathroom as well as inside, and they both have really nice fixtures made by Kohler. Jack Huff's Motor Lodge has recently been renovated, and it looks great and is extremely clean. My room has 2 beds in it, and the light fixtures and the bedding both look very nice. They also have plenty of places to charge your phone and your camera batteries. My room has really nice furniture in it too. This is a Lazy Boy recliner, and I have a Samsung television. And this area in front of the TV is very nice. It has room where you can eat a meal or work on your laptop. And if you're somebody who likes to unpack, there's plenty of places to put your belongings. And this is a nice touch. In this little door, you have an ironing board and an iron. Other nice amenities include a K-cup coffee maker, a microwave, and a mini fridge. I mentioned the bathroom, so let me go ahead and show it to you. Some people might consider it a little small, but I'm happy with it. It's been recently renovated, has really nice fixtures, and I cannot emphasize enough the cleanliness of my room. The flooring and the carpeting is really nice as well. There's one final thing I want to show you. Let me show you the balcony. My room's on the 2nd floor, and it overlooks Cherokee Orchard Road, and I get a really nice view of the mountains. Now let me get to the history of this place. In 1897, Andy Huff came to this area and opened several sawmills, and he eventually opened a 3-story, 100-room hotel called the Mountain View, and it became an icon of Gatlinburg until the 1980s. In 1903, Jack Huff was born, and he continued his family's tradition by building a lodge on top of Mount LeConte in 1926. The lodge on Mount LeConte is now part of the National Park Service, and this motor lodge was built in 1959, and it is still owned and operated by the Huff family. I have to say, this is one of the best rooms I've ever stayed in. It's extremely clean, it's been renovated, it has nice fixtures in the bathroom and really great furniture, the lighting's perfect, and I have no complaints. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And in the description box down below, I'll have links to my PayPal, my Patreon, and my Teespring if you'd like to help continue these adventures. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off. Another nice detail I noticed are these really beautiful pictures hanging on the wall.